Interesting combo. A lot of people either prepare for horizontal weapons or forks. Not both. Drivers ready. Let's start the fight in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, weapons up to speed. Oh, sorry, no forks on the back of the Throngler. They've got that wedge on there trying to stop up that weapon of System Shock Therapy. Right now, it's the Throngler who's struggling to get their weapon up to speed. System Shock Therapy bouncing all around the arena. All right, they've kind of found their bearings. Both robots dangerously near the pit right now. 30 seconds in. All right, so you can see System Shock Therapy starting to find its rhythm. Taking a lot of slices away at the underside of that frame on the Throngler, but you can hear the Throngler ramping up their weapon. Lots of sparks getting thrown off the armor. No sparks coming out of System Shock Therapy now. Tap out as that armor gets ripped off the front from the Throngler. So the Throngler gonna pick up their first win. Man, are those some scary weapons. All right, drivers ready. Let's get our tournament back underway in 3, 2, 1, fight. All right, weapons up to speed. We haven't seen Misdirected Aggression fight yet. They had a bye first round, but man, does that thing have a lot of weapon power. The Throngler taking the hits like a champ. That wedge holding up very, very well. My ears might die before these robots. 30 seconds in. Misdirected Aggression just pounding that wedge and the arena. Bouncing off all our kick plates. The Throngler doing a really, really good job to control this match. Wow. We are coming up on the halfway point. Misdirected Aggression, certainly misdirecting their aggression, hitting all the walls. And only a little bit of the Throngler. The Throngler doing a really good job to stay all over that weapon. It's a lot of noise, a lot of sparks, but not a lot of damage. Good pin from the Throngler, but they gotta let Misdirected Aggression go at some point. Very, very dangerous game to play with 20 seconds left. Hard hits to the side of the Throngler, but the Throngler takes it. Time is winding down, 10 seconds left. Both robots dangerously near the pit. 3, 2, 1. That is a fight. Well done to both these drivers. What a fantastic match. This will go to a judge's decision. All right, looking across the box, we've got Gargoyle and the Throngler. Drivers, are you ready? Let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Weapons up to speed. Good little pop in the air from Gargoyle. Oh, big hit there. Can the Throngler recover? Yes, it can. So you can see the front of Gargoyle starting to get a little bit chewed up. I don't know if that weapon's still spinning or not, but the Throngler definitely doing its damage. Weapon back up to speed on Gargoyle. So must have gotten broken free from that last hit. Gargoyle still the aggressor in this match. Definitely doing the work to chase Throngler around. The Throngler doing everything it can to break free from the clutches of that four-wheel drive vert. Now the Throngler's got those forks, but they haven't even been able to point them towards Gargoyle in this match yet. Gargoyle just relentless, staying on them, showing so much aggression. The Throngler at least has that weapon up to speed. Narrowly escaping the pit there, losing a wheel. So now Gargoyle chasing them around. The Throngler forced to just bounce off of things, try to land as many hits as they can with that weapon, but 35 seconds left. I don't know if they're going to make it to the bell. Gargoyle punches them into another dimension, letting that weapon do the work as the Throngler drags himself across the arena. Gargoyle right back at it though. 15 seconds left in the fight. The Throngler bouncing all around. So close to that pit. Gargoyle's got to be careful though. That drive's starting to get bound up. 5 seconds left. Any one of these hits could send one of these robots into the pit. 3, 2, 1. That is a fight. Turn them off. Bring them back to the door. All right, looking across the box. Our fight looks just about set. This is the Throngler and Variant. Drivers ready. Let's begin in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, weapons up to speed. There's that wedge coming into play for the Throngler, trying to keep Variant at bay. Variant can ride over the top of that wedge all day, but what they're really looking for is to connect with that weapon or get around to the sides, maybe catch a wheel. That's what's really going to do the damage. The Throngler just has to keep that wedge pointed in the general direction, and they're safe. They're hoping to slow down Variant, whip around, and cut into one of those drive sides. There you see the weapon of the Throngler connecting hard with the back of Variant. But Variant seems pretty unfazed. Takes another shot though, so I don't know how many of those hits they can take. But Variant now turning it around. They've got Throngler in a bit of a combo. The Throngler is upside down, desperately trying to self-right. They're now delivering some shots of their own, so back and forth match. Variant definitely in a better spot when Throngler is inverted. Bouncing off the top, the wedges, the walls, everything. Variant has to be careful with that pit. Here comes the Throngler using that wedge, still trying to corral them into the corner. Whip around. Oh, there's a good slice right on the upright using that weapon. The Throngler being very, very patient with those weapon strikes. Not able to do any significant damage to Variant yet. But at some point, it's got to add up. Now just holding a super long, noisy pin. 15 seconds left in the fight. Now that weapon. Round up with 10 to go. Variant's got nothing to lose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a fight. Weapons off. Weapons off. This will go to our judges. What a fantastic fight.